At may imong ulo.
Ew.
Ang
And then
restaurant
the-
na to.
And then the toppings here.
Toppings number way.
Toppings, oh.
Tapoy toppings.
What is that?
Oh, diba? Lupig pasnas.
Ay, number ka.
Restaurant.
Oh.
Ew. Where's my spoon?
Ako ba ta? Is this yours, Court? Ha?
Come on, na, 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 na. Ay.
Okay.
Kidding me? I'm gone 10 minutes. You're having a hoot nanny?
It'd be such a bummer, man.
Tamis na ba kayo na?
You just dropping off some brown.
Ganan ko nga ice cream ka na ba? Sticky kayo siya ng ba?
Shouldn't be here, Jerry.
Naku, yung ice cream powder dito. Akong gamog ice cream rin kay mamaligya ko ice cream.
Kabalo ko mga guys.
Dagan na
Little
gamitin.
bears gonna figure a way out of their cages.
I can't.
Yeah!
The floor finds out what you're doing. You look like a podcast.
Guys, spoon ko nung...
Lot.
Mine. Nako, ikaw na natin. Brad si. Special ba?
Sa.
Balik ka lang sa
Okay.
kuhan.
Wow! Cute
Ate.
ta!